Hi everyone, Liliana from Vanillandcanela here. God, that was a bit too bright, wasn't it? Hi everyone, Liliana from Vanillandcanela here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I've had a mussel food delivery. If you don't know what mussel is, they basically sell meat, really supposedly good quality meat, great prices. It's mainly, I think they started off selling to bodybuilders and stuff like that, but they've become quite popular over the past few years with housewives as well. So I ordered a load of stuff. I'm going to open the box, show you what's inside, and then prep the meat. So let's go. Everyone likes a freebie. So here is what I've got. Got 5 kilos of chicken breasts, 2 things of unsmoked bacon medallions, 2 little packs, and these are quite small, 200 grams of extra lean beef steak mince, 2 packs of low-fat sausages, 2 packs of sweet chili chicken burgers, 2 packs of beef burgers, 2 packs of turkey meatballs, and 2 packs of 2 beef centre cut steak. Now, looking at this stuff, I don't know whether or not I've got a good deal. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go on the Tesco's website a bit later and add up how much it would have cost me to get this from them, and I'll let you guys know the comparison. I'm going to freeze all of this as is. It's fine. That's a perfect or ideal portions. The only thing I'm going to split is the chicken breasts and the unsmoked bacon medallions. They're quite big packs, so I'm going to split that up. So I'm going to steam the 4 chicken breasts in the Thermomix. I've put some water in there and I've seasoned the chicken breasts with salt, paprika and garlic powder, and they will be super tasty just to have in the fridge for quick easy lunches. So here we are. Let me see if I can show you. I'm going to start with 25 minutes. The aroma temperature is the highest. There we go. So here's 3 of the chicken breasts I steamed in the Thermomix. The other one is already in tonight's dinner. Just shredded it up and I'm just cooking some rice with it. And I'm using the water from the Thermomix, which is basically now stock because all the juices have gone in it to cook the rice, so it will hopefully have loads and loads of flavour. Hi guys, so it's now the next day and I've just been onto Tesco's online and added all the meat that I bought from Muscle, you know, similar, what I could find, and I'm going to show you the results. Okay, so I hope you can see the screen okay. It's a bit, I don't know. Anyway, I got 2 packs of 6 sausages and they were reduced fat. So I look in Tesco's and I actually found a pack of 8 reduced fat for $1.70 each. So I got 2 packs, makes $3.40. I got 4 steaks and it just said like mid-cut or something like that. And I looked for the cheapest steak in Tesco's and it came to this. There's 4 steaks that I got, so I just added 4. Also some bacon medallions, and I've sort of counted how much was in the pack and then looked for something in Tesco's that was similar. I got 2 packs of 200 grams each of lean steak mince, and this actually comes to $4.50 and I only got 400, but some of them have a little bit more and others have a little bit less, but it works out okay. So that would have been £4. I got 2 packs of I got 2 packs of turkey meatballs. This is how much it would have cost me in Tesco's. And then I got 2 packs of, oh actually the Tesco's Finest. Okay, so let me just reduce that. It would be that. So I got 2 packs of beef burgers and 2 packs of chicken burgers. Now I couldn't find any fresh burgers, any fresh chicken burgers, so I just added an extra pack of this. That is how much it would have come to, you know. And then the chicken, I got 5 kilos of chicken, and that's what it would have come to if I bought it in Tesco's. So the total price would have been £66.17. So I actually paid £54 for my Muscle food order, so I saved about £12. Here's the thing, so it is a saving, but I probably wouldn't have bought the chicken burgers and the turkey meatball. I don't know if I would have bought that. I don't know. I'm basically not sure if it's worth it. It's definitely worth the chicken is worth that, and they are really nice big chicken breasts and they didn't like shrink when you cook them. So I think the proof will be in the pudding. If I find that the meat is a lot better quality, you know, it goes a lot further or whatever, I don't know if I would actually place another Muscle food order. I don't know. I'm still, the jury's out.